Living in Mandeville, Louisiana means enjoying beautiful views, mild winters, and hot, humid summers. But if your home still has outdated or poorly sealed windows, you're probably feeling the impact: higher utility bills, uncomfortable indoor temperatures, and constant battles with drafts or condensation. Fortunately, replacing your windows is one of the most effective ways to improve your home's energy efficiency and comfort. Understanding the energy impact of older windows, especially those with single panes or aging frames, can be a major source of energy loss. In Mandeville's climate, air conditioning systems work hard for much of the year to maintain indoor comfort. Drafty windows allow cool air to escape and hot, humid air to enter, forcing your HVAC system to run longer and more frequently. This not only increases your energy bills but also puts extra strain on your cooling equipment. Beyond comfort, these inefficiencies can lead to uneven temperatures throughout the home, making some rooms noticeably warmer than others. Window replacement addresses these issues head-on, delivering noticeable improvements in energy use and interior comfort. Benefits of energy-efficient replacement windows. Modern replacement windows are designed with advanced technologies that significantly reduce heat transfer and improve insulation. Here's how they help boost energy efficiency in your Mandeville home. Double or triple pane glass. These windows feature 2 or 3 layers of glass with insulating gas, usually argon or krypton, sealed between them. This construction reduces heat gain in the summer and heat loss in the winter, keeping your indoor temperature more stable year-round. Low-E coatings. Low emissivity, low-E glass has a microscopic coating that reflects infrared heat while allowing natural light to enter. This helps keep your home cooler during hot Louisiana summers without sacrificing brightness. Durable, insulated frames. Vinyl, fiberglass, and composite window frames offer better thermal performance than traditional wood or aluminum. These materials resist warping and moisture damage, key advantages in Mandeville's humid environment. Tight seals and quality installation. Professionally installed replacement windows seal tightly, preventing drafts and air leaks. This airtight fit plays a crucial role in maximizing energy savings and improving indoor air quality. Lower energy bills and greater long-term savings. One of the most immediate benefits of energy-efficient window replacement is a reduction in monthly utility costs. According to the U.S. Department of Energy, homeowners can save between $126 and $465 per year by upgrading single-pane windows to Energy Star-rated models. In Mandeville's climate, the savings can be even greater during peak summer months when air conditioning usage is at its highest. Over time, these savings add up, helping you recoup your investment while enjoying a more comfortable and efficient home. Additionally, modern windows can extend the lifespan of your HVAC system by reducing the workload on your heating and cooling equipment. Added comfort and enhanced home value. Energy-efficient replacement windows don't just lower bills, they also improve your quality of life. You'll enjoy more consistent indoor temperatures, fewer drafts, and less noise from outside. If you've struggled with condensation on your windows, newer models also reduce moisture buildup that can lead to mold or damage. What's more, energy efficiency is a top priority for today's homebuyers. Installing new, Energy-saving windows is a strong selling point that can increase your home's resale value and make it more attractive to buyers. Final thought. Window replacement is a smart, long-term investment that pays dividends in energy efficiency, comfort, and home value, especially in a climate like Mandeville's. If your current windows are outdated or underperforming, now is the time to consider upgrading. With energy-efficient replacement windows, you'll enjoy lower utility bills, a more comfortable living space, and peace of mind knowing your home is ready to handle Louisiana's weather with ease.